Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Let's Adda. Today we are going to discuss about some potential transfer rumors in recent transfer window 2020. This video is going to be interesting and informative as well. So guys, request you all to watch the full video and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification in time. I would like to start with Chelsea midfielder Willian. After spending long 7 years at Chelsea, finally the time has come to say goodbye to all Chelsea supporters. As per the source, Chelsea offered 2 years of extension, however Willian's expectation was 3 years of new contract. Now Arsenal offered him a 3 years deal and this 31 years old midfielder will join Arsenal, beating off Barcelona and Inter Miami, who were also showing interest for Willian. Next on the list is Nathan Ake. As we all know how much desperate Pep Guardiola is to sign a defender after Vincent Kompany left the club. Guys, I am not saying Nathan Ake has the same quality what Vincent Kompany had. Rather, I would say Nathan Ake has potential to mitigate the crisis in Manchester City's defense. Ake joined Bournemouth in the year 2016 on loan from Chelsea and made his move permanent in the year 2017 for a record 20 million. As you all know, Bournemouth has been relegated from Premier League. We are not surprised that defender is joining Manchester City for 41 million. Now, we need to see whether Ake could adopt Pep Guardiola styles or not. But I think this is the potential buy for Manchester City, beating off Manchester United and Chelsea in the race. Moving on, we could discuss about one of my favorite midfielder, David Silva, who are now joining at Serie A club Lazio for 3 years contract. This attacking midfielder spent 10 years since 2010 at Manchester City and gave everything to the club. During his era, City won 4 times EPL, 2 times FA Cup, 5 times English League Cup and 2 times Super Cup as well. He was a heart of City's midfield. I respect him a lot. Goodbye Mr. Silva and best of luck for your future assignments. Okay friends, on next we are going to discuss about Kalidou Koulibaly, a central defender. Currently, he is playing at Serie A club Napoli. Despite of signing Nathan Ake for 41 million, as I have said earlier, Manchester City is top contender to sign Kalidou Koulibaly in this summer. Due to COVID-19, every clubs in Europe are going through financial crisis. In this situation, Napoli feels that the only other club other than City that could come in to sign Koulibaly is Manchester United. They feel there is no other club in Europe who will fulfill their asking price near about 80 to 90 million for this defender. Koulibaly is an exceptional defender. He could add values to your defensive strength, no doubt. However, considering the current situation, spending 80 to 90 million for Kalidou Koulibaly is huge as per my opinion. Definitely City and United are doing their best and continuous negotiation with Napoli to sign the star in this summer. Going forward, I would like to include Coutinho's name into my list. Former Liverpool star would definitely consider a return to the Premier League. Coutinho is currently playing at Bayern Munich on loan from Barcelona. As per the source, Barcelona are keen to sell Coutinho in this summer to reduce their wage bill and Arsenal is reading the race to include this Brazilian striker in their squad. Friends, unfortunately it has not gone well for Coutinho to prove himself both in Barcelona and Bayern Munich as well. So we can expect Coutinho's return in Premier League in this summer. Guys, who all are you looking for Jadon Sancho's transfer news? I have already made a video for Jadon Sancho. Please click on above I button to see the video. Friends, Jadon Sancho's deal still on, don't worry. Yes, I have heard the news about his flying to Switzerland to join pre-season training camp for Dortmund, and whatever Dortmund sporting director Michael Zorc's verdict on Jadon Sancho, deadline is over, Sancho will continue at Dortmund in next season, blah blah blah. But Manchester United are not giving up on signing Jadon Sancho. Guys, did you remember Manchester United signed Harry Maguire last season despite of he had joined pre-season for Leicester City? Lukaku went for Inter Milan after completion of pre-season training camp at United. So guys, we do respect Michael Zorc. You can treat the transfer window like a suspense movie. Anything can happen. We are the only audience who can speculate or guess as per our expectations. Guys, this is all for today. There are a lot of rumors are going on in transfer market. I have selected some of views among those which I have thought potential. Friends, if you like my video, then do share, like and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned, see you on next video. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my video.